have issues getting a perfect marinade for your proteins, you're in the right place. Welcome back. I usually make my marinade in large quantity, so that I can always store in my freezer. So let's get started. The first thing I'm adding to my blender is lemon juice. So I had the desired measurement I need. If you need the exact measurement that I use for one recipe, kindly check the description button below and you'll see. The next thing I added was my sesame oil, and after that I proceeded to add in my soy sauce. While that is still being added, this is the soy sauce. I usually use this marinade for anything. Like I said, I use it for fish, for chicken, just name it. Then I proceeded to add in my ketchup. After that, I also had my barbecue sauce. You know what they say about great food? You might be having events with families and friends, or you just want to have just a nice time with your nuclear family. Presently, I'm adding my homemade paprika, smoked paprika. Then I proceeded to add in yogurt. Yes, frozen yogurt. This recipe is the bomb. Next thing was my seasoning cubes. I'm just going to blend everything together. And when you want everything to marinate properly, I added my sauce just before adding my curry powder. Then I added my thyme. You can always use parsley if you do not have curry. Then I added my garlic, my onions, and I added cinnamon powder. I dropped a little bit of, not a little bit, because I like it very spicy, pepper flakes. Then I also added my powdered ginger. I'm just going to add that in the description button because I omitted it from the video, but it was added to this sauce just before blending it. Can you just see the way? You don't need to add any water. It is ready at this point, and I just poured it into my bowl. And the next thing I do is to pick the protein I have and marinate them. This is a chicken and my fish. If you have any question, don't forget to send a message and I'm definitely going to reply you. Bye.